Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. This is Asif, your mathematics teacher. Friends, in this video lecture we will discuss and understand about how to solve the sums of exercise 12b. This is class 7, chapter number 15, and the chapter name is Properties of Triangles. Friends, in the last video session we had covered some important points related to triangles and exercise 15a as well. Now here friends, we will solve exercise 15b completely. Okay, so friends, let's get started. Now friends, before solving a couple of questions of exercise 15a, let us discuss about the one important theorem that is called the exterior angle property of a triangle. Now see friends, have a look. Suppose friend, this is A, B and C is a triangle. Okay, then there is an angle, that is exterior angle. This suppose here is the B. ABC is a triangle. Okay, then C is angle ACD, that means this angle is an exterior angle of this triangle. So the value of this exterior angle, friend, that means angle ACD, or rather we can say angle DCA, is equal to, friend, sum of the two interior angles which are opposite to this angle. Sum of two interior angles means angle A plus angle B. Remember friends, I repeat once again, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two opposite angles of the triangle. Okay, so the value of angle ACD, this angle, is equal to sum of angle A and B. Okay friends, I hope friends you will be understand. Now then friends, solve. As you can see the question number 1 on the board. The question 1 says, friends, in the figure alongside, find the measurement of angle ACD, this angle, friends. Now the solution, friends, look at the friends, angle ACD could be written as angle A plus angle B. Reason, friends, because exterior angle property. Okay, now friends, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two opposite angles, interior angles. Okay, now angle ACD could be written as angle A is 75 degree, friends, plus angle B 45 degree. Now add them. 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 is balance. 7 plus 11, this is 12. Now hence angle ACD is equal to 120 degree. This is the answer this question. Now see friends, question number 2 says, in the figure alongside, find the values of x and y. First friends, look at the figure and decide how to find out the values of x and y. Look at the friend, this x is the interior angles which is opposite to this exterior angles. Okay, and y is just adjacent angle of 130 degree. Okay, first friend, we have to find the angle y, then calculate the value of x. Now see, look at the friends, this BD. What about the BD? This BD is the looks like the line, friends. This is the straight line. Okay, suppose this is the part of this straight line, and the angle, sum of these two angles, friends, this angle means angle ACD plus angle ACD is equal to, friends, क्या होगा, 180, because this is the straight line, linear pair. Okay, now first find the value of y, then calculate x. See friends, in a triangle, see, this is now BD is the line, or the line, part of the line. Okay, it doesn't matter, the line. So the angle ACD plus angle A, this is angle ACD plus angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to, friends, 180 degree because of the straight line. Reason, STRAIG, straight line or linear pair. Okay, here straight angle. Okay, now see friends, yeah, supplementary angle. This is ACD is what, 130 degree friends, and angle ACB, this is friends y degree, y, and 180 degree as it is. So y is equal to friends 180 minus 130 degree. So y becomes friends, this is 50 degree. So this is first answer. Now we have to calculate x, for which we have to put the value of y. Okay, now see friends, now since in triangle ABC, so this angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to friend, this is 180 degree. This is angle sum property. So the angle A is equal to x, that we have to find. Angle B is equal to 68 friends, B 68, angle A x, and plus angle C is the angle C means friends y degree, y is here. Okay, so y की वैल्यू फ्रेंड्स C, यहाँ पे आप 50 डिग्री लिख सकते हैं डायरेक्ट, बिकॉज द y, the value of C, this is angle y, this is 50 degree. Okay, is equal to 180 degree. Now add the values friends, this is x plus this 8 18, 180 degree. So x is equal to friends 180 minus 118 becomes friend, this is 2, this is 7, this is 6, and okay, 62 degree. So this is your answer friends. The value of x is 62, x is 62 degree, and y is friends 50 degree. Okay, I hope friends you will be understand. Now see friends, question number 4 says an exterior angle of a triangle measures 110 degree and its interior opposite angles are in ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangles. Means we have to find all angles of a triangle, means 3 angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C as well. Okay, now see friends, first draw the figure exactly according to this statement, then we can easily find out the required angles of a triangle. Okay, now see friends, an exterior, we have drawn the figure, this is triangle, and produce this side BC till D. Okay friends, now, and this is an exterior angle, and the exterior angle is given, this is friends 110 degree. Then afterwards friend, its interior opposite, these two interior opposite angles, angle A or angle B are the two opposite angles, interior angles. Okay, the ratio of this is 2:3. Okay friends, now let's consider, find the angles, let their ratios are friends, suppose are in x. Their ratio means friends, let their interior opposite angles ratio are in x. So friends, that means angle A is equal to, A is the first, this is suppose this is 2x friends, and angle B is equal to, this is friends, this is 3x. Now friends, here angle ACD, angle ACD is equal to friends angle A plus angle B. Reason friends, exterior angle property. Okay, now see friends, angle ACD is given 110 degree, angle A is friends 2x, angle B is friends, this is 3x. So this is 110 degree is equal to 2 plus 3, 5x. So x is equal to friends 110 divided by 5. So x becomes 5 to the 10. Okay, this is 5 to the 10, 22 degree. The value of x is friends 22 degree. Okay, then we now see, so therefore angle A is equal to friends, angle A is kitna friends 2x. So this is 2x, this is 3x, this is 2 into x, 2 multiplied by the value of x is 22, this is 44 degree, the first answer. Angle B is equal to friends 3x, so this is 3x, 3 multiplied by the value of x is 22, this is 66 degree. Now angle C friends, how we can find the angle C? There are two ways to find out the angle C, or either angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because angle sum property, or either we can take the sum of these two angles friends, a straight line, a straight angle, then we can find out. Now see how to find the angle C. Have a look friends. Now see, for angle, finding the third angles like C, angle friends, this angle C, only this angle C, okay, this angle C plus this angle ACD, angle ACD is equal to, friends, this is 180 degree because a straight angle, STRAIGST, a straight angle. Okay, now angle C that we have to find, plus angle ACD, friends. ACD is 110 degree. This is 180. So angle C is equal to 110 minus 180 minus 110. So angle C becomes equal to 70 degrees. So this is your answer, friends. Now friend, angle A is 44 degree, angle B 66 degree, angle C 70 degree. So these are the answer this question. Now see friends, question number 5 says an exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Friends, first try to make the figure according to the questions. This is statement. Okay, first this is talking about the triangle, friends. Now first we make a triangle. We made a triangle. Okay friends, this is triangle. Name, this is A, suppose this is B and C. Now afterwards, friends, a triangle is 180 degree. This is the exterior, friends. Then we can produce this side BC till suppose D, friends. So this is, friend, this angle is given as, this is 100 degree. Okay, now its interior opposite angles means opposite of this angle. This is the opposite. There are two opposite angles and these are called interior angles. This is a statement talking about these two angles. Okay friends, each other. What, friends? Its interior opposite angles are equal. So this is suppose X, friends, this is also X degree. Okay, now find the measure of each angle of the triangle. Each angle means, friends, angle A, angle B and angle C, this interior angle. Now see friends, first friend, let angle A is equal to X, angle B is equal to also X, because both the X opposite interior angles are same. And now to find angle A is equal to what, angle B is equal to what, angle C is equal to what. Okay, now friends, now this angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. So this is, friends, reason exterior angle property. Okay, this angle ACD is the given 100 degree. So angle A is as X, friends, and B is also same angle X. This is 100 degree is equal to X plus X, 2X. So hence we can find X is equal to, friends, 100 divided by 2. Remember, friends, this is 2 is the multiple of X, though this is why 2 becomes, after 2 becomes means a denominator in the right hand side. तो जो भी मल्टीप्लाई में x का मल्टीप्लाई में रहेगा वो क्या डिवाइड में जाएगा, फ्रेंड्स, 100 divided by 2. This becomes, this is 50, friends, 50 degree. X की वैल्यू 50 degree. Then A is equal to X is equal to, friends, 50 degree first. Then B is equal to, friends, X is also 50 degree. Okay. Then, friends, we can easily find out, friends, this angle. This is 50. This is 50. You know, friends, sum of all three angles becomes 180 degree. So this is 50 plus 50, this is 100. So this becomes, this is 80 degree. So this is your answer. But how to find, friends, angle 80? Okay, now see, have a look. Now friends, we can find out two ways. Either A plus B plus C is equal to what? Okay, or the another way that we have to find. This is, friend, a straight line. Okay, this is the straight line. Now friends, angle C, this angle C, interior angle, okay, plus angle ACD is equal to, friends, 180 degree, because this becomes the supplementary angle. This is a straight line, friends. Okay, a straight line. Now a straight angle C is, we have find angle ACD is equal to 100 degree, friends, and this is 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 100. So this angle C is equal to, this is 80 degree. So this is your answer. Okay, I have angle A 50, angle B 50, angle C is 80 degree. Now see, friends, question number 6 says, in the figure given alongside, find angle ACD. This angle, friends, this angle we have to find. Okay, Now and second number AED, E, and this is E friends. Here E, this angle. How we can find friends? Now see ACD. Very simple friends. How we can find? If you look at this triangle ABC or ACD, then the sum of these three angles becomes 180 degrees. So sum of this one plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Then add these two angles. Then take these two angles after adding to the right hand side in the negative sign and subtract 180 degree becomes the angle C. Okay. Now see. Look at friends. First now in a triangle. Now friends, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal, angle A plus angle B plus angle C. In triangle की बात कर रहे हैं. This is also angle C, but not in triangle ABC friends. मैं triangle ABC में angle C की बात कर रहा हूँ, मतलब this angle. Okay. Now this becomes 180 degree. Reason friends, this is angle sum P4 property. Okay. Now angle A is friend, this is 25 degree. Angle B is 45 degree. Angle C we have to find as it is. This is 180 degree. Okay. Now add both the angles. This is 5 by 0, 1 is balanced, 6 and 7. 70 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 70 degree friends. Therefore angle C is equal to what? This is 110 degree. So this is the first answer, angle C. Now friend, angle C becomes 1. This angle becomes 110 degree. Okay. Now look at the friends. We have to find this angle, angle C in triangle CDE. CDE में angle E find करना. Okay. How we can find out friends? Because one angle, only one interior angle is given. Okay. Very simple friends. Look at friends. If you look at this triangle, there are so many ways. This triangle CDE. Okay. This angle is an exterior angle of this triangle. So this exterior angle is equal to friends sum of the opposite two interior angles. Okay. Now we can apply, or either friends, another way that we have to find, but this is very simple way. Now see friends, in triangle CDE ACB is equal to 110 is exterior angle. Okay friends. Now hence therefore this angle ACD, this angle is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. These are the opposite two interior angle of this. Okay. This angle D, we're talking about CDE friends, CD angle D and plus angle E. Remember friends. Okay. Now ACD, the value of ACD is equal to 110 degree. Sorry. Actually friend, this angle is equal to angle ACB. Okay. ACB exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle, this angle D plus this angle E. Okay. ACB is given 110 degree. Angle D friend, this is 40 degree, and angle E write down as it is. 110 as it is friends. Bring this minus 40 becomes minus 40. This is angle E. We can solve here friends. This is this becomes friends angle E is equal to 110 minus 40. 0 minus 0 0 friends. 11. This is 70. So this is 70 degree. Okay. Now this is your answer. So angle C is 110, angle E is 70 degree. So these are the answer this question. Now see friends, question number 7. First look at the figure and try to find out the required points. Here friends, in the figure given alongside find ACD. Look at the friend, ACD, this angle friends. And second ADC, this angle, and the third DAE, DA and E, this angle friends. Okay, we have to find this. Now one by one we are going to find out. Now see friends, write the solution first. Okay, look at friends, talking about this angle 100 degree is the exterior angle of triangle ACD. We can write friends 100 degree is the exterior angle of triangle ACD. So therefore friends, exterior angle means 100 degree is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles friends. So this is x, this is could be written as friend, this angle could be written as angle ADC. So this is angle ADC plus friends this angle CAD. This angle is equal to sum of these two angles friends, this angle and this angle. Okay, so this is 100 degree is equal to ADC. This angle we have to find, मुझे find करना है, इसको as it is लिखेंगे, प्लस CAD ये फ्रेंड एंगल 60 डिग्री. ओके, आपको जो भी पहले आसान लगा उसको आप फाइंड कर लें. ओके, एंड नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, this is 100 minus 60 is equal to friend this angle ADC. Look at friends, this is 40 degree is equal to angle ADC, hence angle ADC is equal to 40 degree. This is the first answer and this answer is angle second answer. Okay, so this angle is equal to 40 degree. Now friends, this angle we have to find and that angle we have to find. Now see how we can find out friends, very simple, very simple. Now for first friend is first kilo find out करेंगे. Okay, now see this angle, look at the friend, this 100 degree, this angle and plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay friends, 180 degree. So we can write friends, directly we can write at for second number angle 100. Okay friends, plus this angle CE we can write ACD angle ACD is equal to friends 180 degree. Reason a straight angle. So 100 as ACD is as it is ACD that we have to find is equal to 180 minus friends 100 degree. So this becomes friends 80 degree. So angle ACD is 180 degree. This is the second answer. Okay friends, now the last DAE. How we can find out friends angle DAE? This angle, look at friends DAE, this angle. Now friends look at, since angle DAE is exterior angle of triangle which friends, this triangle. Look at friends, this triangle friends, sorry, now just a minute. Here friends, one thing is very important, this angle is the exterior angle by which triangle friends. There are three triangles over here. This is the one triangle and second, and this is the whole big triangle is the third triangle. Look at, if you look at closely friends, this side is yani side AB is produced till E. Okay, and here is the BD and here is the AC. That means we can say, so friends, side BA, so the and BD, we can say that this angle DAE means this angle is the exterior angle of a triangle ABC, of a big triangle ABC. So here friends, angle DAE is the exterior angle of a triangle AB and D. Look at the friends, ABD, ये ABD का exterior angle है friends. Okay friends, now we can see friends this exterior angle, angle DAE, this angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. This opposite angle friends, opposite this angle plus this angle. So this is, friends, we can write that this is 40 degree plus also 40 degree. Okay. Reason, friends, exterior angle property, exterior angle property. So this becomes 80 degree. This is answer. Angle ADE becomes 80 degree. So this is answer. Now see, friends, question number 8, and this is the last question of this exercise 15b, and the question is very simple and interesting also. So then see, in the given figure, now see, friends, in the figure given alongside x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, angle ACD is 130 degree. Find the values of x, y and z. See, friend, the ratio is given, x is to y is. Now see, friends, whatever the given, right, x is to y is given 2 is to 3, friends. So this could be written as, friends, x by y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now see, friends, this is the first method, friend, that we have to find the value of x, then apply the exterior angle property. Or either, friends, another way that we have to find, let, friends, suppose the x is equal to 2t and y is equal to, friends, 3t. The first value for x and the second one is for y. Okay, friends. Now, friends, the angle ACD is equal to, friends, angle A plus angle B. Reason, friend, ACD is the exterior angle, okay, of the triangles ABC. So this angle ACD is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles, okay, A and B. This is exterior angle property, friends. Okay. Now angle ACD, this is 130 degree, friends. Angle A is, friends, this is angle A. Angle A is y degree, friends. Angle A is y, so y is given 3t. Angle B, friends, angle B is x degree, so x is given, this is 2t. Now add, friends, this is 5t, here 130 degree. Okay. Now t is equal to 130 divided by 5. So this becomes, friends, 5 2 ja 10 and then 5 6 ja 30. So this is t की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 26 degree. Now angle A is equal to, friends, angle A, that means y degree. First find the x degree. X, what, friend? This is x is equal to 2t. 2 into t. 2 multiplied by the value of t is 26. Okay. So this is, friends, this is 26 to the 52 degree. X की value 52 degree. Then y, friends. Now y. Okay. Now y is equal to y is equal to 3t, friends. Have a look. The value of t, friends, this is 26. So this is 18. One is balanced. This is 70 degree. Y is 78 degree. Okay, friends. Now how we can find this is z, friends? Very simple, friends. This angle z, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Z plus 130 degree is equal to, friends, z plus 130 degree is equal to x की value, this is 52 degree, and y, friend, this is 78. Okay. Now we can easily find out. Look at, friends, z plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Reason, friend, a straight angle. Okay. S for straight, A for angle. Sum these two angles 180 degree. Z as it is, angle ACD is equal to, friends, 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So Z is equal to 180 minus 130 becomes, friend, this is 50 degree. Okay. Now Z की value 50 degree, X की value 52, and Y की value, friends, this is 78. So these are the answer this question. I hope, friends, you will enjoy with this video lecture, and I hope you all understood. So, friends, if you have any doubt, confusion, contact me. Your homework, friends, exercise 15b, question number. Now look at the question to complete all. Actually, I have solved all the question except question number 1 questions. Okay, that means question number 3rd to solve and to prepare fair copy, neat and tidy. Okay, friends, have a nice day.